So in this question, you raise the volume of a cone of height 18 cm is 8,316 cm cube. Find the base radius of the cone. Take pi as 20/7. And then these are the options that were given. So let's identify the parts of this cone. So here's the height of the cone, which was given as from the question. Our height is 18 cm, and then this is the base radius of the cone. This is the side of the cone that we are looking for, and then this is the slant height, but the information is not provided, so I'm not going to be working with it. And then the volume of the cone is given by as 8316 cm cube. So we know that the volume of a cone is given by 1/3 pi r square h, where h is the height, r is the base radius. Then pi is given in the equation as 22/7. So let's go ahead and substitute what we have in this equation. So V, the volume from the question, is given as 8,316 cm cube, and this is equal to 1/3 times pi is given as 22/7 from the question, then times the base radius is what we're looking for, then times the h is given as 18 cm. And so this becomes 8316 cm cube is equal to, now 22 times 18, because this is 18/1, 22 r square and 18 cm are all at the numerator. So 22 times 18 is going to give us 396, then r square, don't forget it, punch in your calculator, then over 3 times 7 is 21, and so we're going to do cross multiply, so that 21 will multiply 8316, and when it does that, we have that it's going to be equal to 174636, then equal to this 396 r square. Let's make a space, just a little space. Let's make a little space. Yep. Yes. And so we have that 174636 is equal to 396 r square. So let's divide both sides by 396. Divide this one by 396. So this and this will go. Then our r square becomes 174636 divided by 396. If you punch it to your calculator, you are going to get 441. And so let's square both sides. 441. So this square root will cancel this square, and we have that r is equals to plus or minus square root of 441 is 21. So r is equals to plus 21 or minus 21. But in these plane shapes, we are not going to do anything with this negative 21, because we are dealing with natural numbers here and x, and this base radius cannot be a negative sign. So our answer becomes r is equals to plus 21. So r is equals to 21 cm. So this becomes our answer, and from the option given, we have that A is our answer. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, so that each time I post a new video, you're going to be the first to watch it. Also remember to like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you.